Welcome to Chillin' Out.
What are you reading? Hey, don't bother me. Hey. Get off me, Freddie! What are you looking up? Baseball.com. What's that? It's just a website because I like baseball. I think we should make a game. Like, we have to make up all B words, like, for baseball. Okay, and then all A words, and then S words, and A words. Okay. That's a good idea. Okay, you start. And you have 1 minute, okay? Go. Raw. Applesauce. Venus. No,
What?
It starts with an S. Oh, it does. You get the game? Okay. Like, yeah, okay, we'll take turns saying a letter, okay? It has to start with S or B. Sierra. Okay. B-A-S-E, okay? Get it? B-A-S-E. And then all the way to baseball. Okay, you start. Hey, Bill. No talking. Applesauce. Quick, elephant. What's the next B? B. Go. Ball. Ball. Acorn. Ah. What's that? L. Lions. Okay, that's it. That's it. We did it. Probably. Okay, now let's do basketball. No, I don't want to play that anymore. Okay. Let's do it on baseball.com. Are you still filming? What are you reading? Ah! Not silly. Is Thanksgiving dinner? Wow, that's boring. I know. What are you reading? Buddy died. Oh, you guys, anyways, I'm not really reading. I'm Andrew, she's Caitlin, he's Josiah, and he's Chad. Chad! And y'all brothers and sisters, you guys. And the director of this web show is Lauren. Lauren Harold. Look it, I think we should burn some music onto this CD. Stop talking like this. Yeah. Caitlin, stop it. I'm trying to burn some music. This is boring. Shut your mouth. No, I don't want to burn music. What are you going to do? Let's tickle each other while we... Yeah. Jump up and down. Okay, what do you want to do next? Let's do... No, let's do some wrestling. Take down. The takedown. This is gonna hit. Oh! Watch it. You. Let's see if we can switch bodies. Yeah. Let's run into each other as fast as we can. Like a jolt. Okay. You go over there, I go here. 1, 2, 3. Oh. Okay, one more time. Last time. 1, 2, 3. Oh, what happened? Thank you for watching chillingout.com. Ciao!